Well, welcome to another installment of Pimp My Stinky Squirrel Piss Rot Shop, featuring the old gal. And yeah, I'm going to throw in myself some new control arm bushings and control arm inner and outer ball joints, because she does not like it. And I don't know if you can see this from here, but I don't think it's supposed to sound like that. And she's swaying a lot, and they look fucked. So I figured out what I need to take off the whole control arm. You're going to need yourself a 19, a 17 millimeter, and a 22 millimeter. That again is a 19, 17, and a 22 millimeter socket. Wrenches might be able to work, but it's going to be a pain. We all know that. So let me show you what you need here. Oh, this creeper is like the greatest thing that's ever happened to me. Alright, so your 17s are to take off your control arm, your control arm bushing doodadder that holds the bushing. And then your 22 is to take off the inner ball joint. And then your 19, fucking situate my head here, is to take off your outer control arm ball joint. So yeah, let's rip it off. Let's get this crunch. So after banging on that outer ball joint for like 5 minutes, I was like, screw it. I'm gonna go get an actual tool to do it. I've seen a lot of people say, you want this thing? And I'm like, yeah, I'll just, manhandle it out. But I got sick of it. And I agree now. Get yourself a ball joint spreader or squeezer or whatever the fuck that thing is. Alright, let's see if this does the trick. I lost my wrench. I found the wrench. Come on, bitch. Yeah, we're on ya. I can see why the hell it wasn't coming off when I was banging on it, the frickin' drift pin and hammer. Turn this stupid thing off. Yeah, come on. This is gonna scare the shit out of me. Finally pops. Alright, any day now. I don't like to get spooked. Oh, come on. Jesus. Come on! Right, fucking hell! Got it! Woo! God damn it! That scared the shit out of me. Fuck, I could have swore I saw a spark and everything. Whew! Whew! Oh, where's my freaking socket to get that guy off? Oh, where's he going? There you go! That's how you remove your E30 control arm. You know, full easy. Oh my god. Oh my god! I ain't no expert, but I don't think it's supposed to do that. The new ones don't even move. Yeah, alright, well, that's probably why she's getting all sloppy. Oh, I'm gonna push those out and do the same thing again. Now here's the fun shit of getting the bearings and all the freaking other shit out. Oh my god, you. I can tell right now you're going to be a pain in the ass. You're not even freaking moving. To the press. Alright, so I got this shit all set up in the press. On my stupid bar. Fits actually surprisingly well. Like I'm very surprised it's working out this nice. We'll see what happens though. That's about good right there. Yeah, how about we don't do that? How about we just push out to obliterate the rubber? Yeah. It kind of came out. It just demolished it, but we're almost out. This little piece right here hasn't seen air since 1988. These are going to be absolutely fantastically fun. I'm never going to have this much fun in my life. Get these things out. Soak them in like PB Blaster. Smush them out, I guess. Alright. A little heat always helps. Bit more. Oh my god, I don't think I can. No, that's all she's gonna take. Alright. Swell. All fucking squared up. Oh, come on, baby, please. Don't give me all this issue. This is one of 4. push out. Oh, fuck yeah! Oh, that's what I like to see. Let's grab the hot piece of metal. Ah, freaking beautiful. Here's the shit joint. Oh my god, that thing is fucked up. Alright, now time to get this goofball. Ooh, that's still warm. I think that wasn't too hot. Now to get this one off. This one's gonna be a pain because I have to like sit it flush like this, and I can't get it. I don't know how I'm gonna stand it up. I have to do some like ring underneath it or something dumb. Ugh. So they finally showed up.
Yeah! Yeah!
Never seen him before. That's Ian. He lives out in Wisconsin.
Yeah, that's
he plays with trucks and stuff.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Yeah, you've probably seen him before.
My dick don't work.
That's true, dude. Yeah!
You know him. But
I
alright.
want to get my laptop tonight. We gotta start right.
On a better note, the refresh has been done. That was the biggest pain in my ass ever to get those freaking joints in. Long story short, it jumped off the press and hit Ian in the tooth. It didn't break anything, but it wasn't nice. I'm filming in here! Alright, so let's throw it in the freaking car. Yeah. Check, 1, 2, check. Battery's dying, it's so freaking cold out here. Alright, Nick, do you think the shim's gonna be going or like, fuck no?
Fuck no!
Fuck no.
If it's one thing he taught me, always be disappointed because it's
Always
not gonna work
be
ever.
pessimistic, because there's nothing worse than getting something done. You're like, oh, it's gonna fix it, and then, fuck you, it doesn't fix anything.
It's still gonna rattle.
No, it's not the rattle.
The wheel's gonna fall.
I don't give a shit if it rattled. I just don't want it to stop shaking.
You know, like it's gonna shake.
It's gonna fly the fuck off.
Yeah, that's what Mike was saying. He's like, yeah, if those things eventually, like, when they go, like, your wheels are just gonna, like, pitch and toe, and then you're fucked.
That's what you want. Dude, I saw a video of this, like these, like, drag racing truck, and he, like, launched, and then, like, his controller or whatever just snapped, and then his tires were, like, just, like, driving forward, like, sideways. Like, I don't realize how much.
That happened to Sean and me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this Honda one day, he was driving all flipped through and I all for him.
I remember that.
Something broke. I forget what part of his car broke, but his wheel just cranked
Wait.
out of it.
What was this?
Yeah.
Come here. What was this?
He said the Honda, something broke. I'm assuming it's the control arm.
I don't know what control.
Like the Honda in my driveway right now.
His ball joint has something broken in half, and his
So we have
wheel
to
just
keep
went
the
like
spindle on.
so out.
I gotta show you.
But that was nice.
I had it on my story. I happened to somebody. They like hit the curb.
Hey Nick, do me a solid and go hold my wheel so it doesn't shake at all.
Dude, you know when I found out?
Yeah.
Put the park.
Oh my god.
They just had some dude.
A lot better, you can already tell.
Yeah.
Dude, I found this out last time we were testing it. I was holding it, and I'm like, wait, why don't I just put the fucking parking lock on? Yeah, it's locked.
I know, but there's still a little shimmy. The pins in the wheel drop when it's... Alright, so you holding it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like a whole lot fucking better. Before it was like...
As an afterthought, I was tempted to just like turn the wheel as he shimmied it to me. It was like still.
Feel this.
Oh yeah. The only slack is it's probably on the other side. That thing's fucking solid.
Alright, I'm gonna leave the caps off, that way I remember to tighten the lugs when it's on the ground, so... Fuck yeah! Hell yeah! Alright, we're good to go. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the other side, and we're done.
Yeah!
So she's done. Boom, like that, easy peasy. Didn't wrestle with those joints for like, you know, all day, but we don't sweat the details here. So we take her for a nice little run. Everything's going great. 5 minutes in, she shakes. She starts shaking. I'm stoked, man. I'm stoked.
So me and my associate took it for a spin, As being a certified car doctor, it runs in his family and in his blood.
Right.
He's like, yo, dude, like my Lexus is doing something similar, and it was the brakes. So,
This wheel, it's fine. It moves. Spins like it should. Wheels. Being a doctor, can't move it. Can't fucking move it. I'd say it's sick.
it's seized big time, and you can definitely feel the heat coming off of it. Is like it's hot.
You can smell it. Smells like brakes.
Fuck! Off stands, back on stands.
Stand more.
Shit, we should have loosened the lugs before I put it up. Let's see if we can take the lugs off without even putting it down. It's so seized.
Oh.
I have to take. I want to take the wheel off. But see what she does. Oh, so go. Look at that! I'm breaking them loose and it's in the air. Oh my god, she's fucked up. Yeah, they're not cold. Fuck. Sure, my like rotor isn't fucked up.
No, probably alright.
Well, I'm just saying you didn't get too hot. Sure. I mean, do you think you got too hot and got like warped?
No, I don't think that fast.
I wonder if like my
It might fuck your pants, but the
oh my god, dude, the inside of the wheel's fucking hot.
say caliper seized.
Alright, good prognosis, Doc.
Oh my god, feel that? It
What?
slowly keeps my hands warm.
Oh my god, that's nice. If you didn't know, it's like 14 degrees out right now. If that. Oh, look at this air control, really nice and black and clean and.
Oh, that's warm.
You're gonna melt the gloves down. Alright, I should pull that thing apart then.
They're not hard to take off.
Oh no, I know, I've done it in the Jeep, I've changed brakes. I ain't
They're
ignorant.
light.
I'm not ignorant or stupid.
They're so tight.
Alright, so what did you figure out?
Well, it's unbolted now, the caliper, so
Yeah, she's hanging on.
I guess it's a little stuck.
We'll just have to pull it off. Rip it!
I'm afraid to just jam it.
Rip it off! I don't think it's moving, is it?
No, not at all. Alright, well, what we can do. Keep taking it apart.
Yeah, honestly, just take it off there. She'll fall off. Ew. So the car doctor here helped me diagnose the problem. Literally took we literally pulled the caliper off and crunched down with the C-clamp. It was like, it must have had some rust or something on it, I don't know. So now it spins. Just like the other tire, like wheels are supposed to. So, yeah, it was just the caliper was seized up and wouldn't return all the way. So that'll be good enough until I get, you know, the E30 5-lug junk going on up front. Ew.
Yeah.
Yeah!
My god. You look like shit. Oof. Really, really gross. Dirty, disgusting, shitty. But you're still cute.